marijuana retail licenses in New York will go to people who have had previous marijuana convictions.
Yeah, Governor Hochul making the announcement today. The move is designed to make up for discrimination against communities that have been negatively impacted by drug arrests and convictions.
Yeah, James Ford is live in Washington Heights with more for us tonight. Hi there, James.
And hello to both of you. Let's point this out. From 1973 until just last year, the Rockefeller drug laws, which began in 1973, ended up saying that anyone possessing even small amounts of marijuana could end up going to prison. In some of those cases, the prison sentence up to a quarter century. That ended up having a really negative effect on communities like this one, Washington Heights. And someone who has been directly affected by all of it says that this change has been overdue.
This is where I first started consuming and I first started knowing anything about marijuana, cannabis. First time again, I smoked with my friends. This is the first time I've ever been arrested.
Ramon Reyes talks about his first marijuana-related arrest in the 1980s. It happened here in Washington Heights, where he's from. Now he could end up owning one of the state's first legal cannabis selling businesses here. That's because the state's Cannabis Control Board has determined that the first 100 or so cannabis sales licenses will go to people like Reyes, people who've been arrested in marijuana-related cases. Governor Kathy Hochul has advocated for the change. She did not want to comment before the Cannabis Board met early this afternoon, but she's now openly endorsed the move, and Mayor Eric Adams has as well.
They should be front in line growing, front in line in every aspect of it.
But an attorney who litigates discrimination cases says the new measure may face legal pushback.
This law is to redress past wrongs, and the case law shows that it should be overturned.
But someone who's been directly affected by harsh drug laws in the past says this is justice.
It's gonna give jobs, and it's gonna give ownership to the community, not to a corporation or someone that already is generating that source of money. So again, that's gonna change people's families. It's gonna change just the projection of how people look at weed.
Now, he now owns a cannabis marketing and merchandising company called Happy Monkey, which should provide some assistance for him in getting one of these licenses. But this process is going to be long. It's not expected until the end of the year that the licenses will be determined. Reporting live from Washington Heights in Upper Manhattan, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.
All right, James, thank you.